I'm at the Home Depot, and they rent equipment at this Home Depot. They rent a mini excavator, and it happens to be the U17. It's a little older than our machine, but it's a great machine. People are always talking about, is their time worth anything? You got to weigh that out when you're doing these big yard drain problems. And quite frankly, when you're saving all that money, and look at this. So I wouldn't think you can do much in 4 hours. So let's be realistic. If you worked a hard long day and got the majority of your digging done, you could do it for $259. Now, if you got one of these big bad systems and you get an estimate, guys are coming in 8, 9, 10,000, well then take some vacation time, run it for a week. All right, guys, until the next video.